Here's a GMC Yukon with a set of LED switchback turn signals. These are called switchbacks because they run white while you're going straight, and as soon as you hit the turn signal, they're gonna flash golden amber. So we're gonna start with the driver's side here. Got flashing golden amber and solid on the other side. Now we're gonna turn it off and it's gonna go back to white. We'll go now to the passenger side. We have flashing golden amber. Now we're gonna cut it off and it'll go back to white. This is a GMC Yukon body style 2007 to 2013. We have LED switchbacks in stock and ready to go for most vehicles here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday 10 to 6 and closed on Sunday. We'll see you guys on the next one.